Но аз си мислех, че командосите са приятели, принцесо.
Те бяха, но според генерал Флаг са подведени от Сърсе и се напът да ме убият.
Ваше Величество, трябва да ви отведем до бункера.
Няма да се крие, Сергей! Намери ги, спри ги и убий, ако трябва! Хората на Поколистан зависят от това.
Jesus, Nita, what the hell? Don't sneak up on me like that!
They're trying to kill us. What option do I have but to sneak?
Oh, shit!
Oh!
Damn it!
Видя ли това?
Did they see?
I don't know,
Mon Dieu.
You look like the boss. Tell them to pretend like we're not here, or I will blow your head off.
Okay, maybe don't blow her head off.
Yes, blow her head off.
Oh my god, you're crazy. You're always so hyperbolically violent. You need therapy.
Отвори вратата! Веднага!
Bonjour. May I help you?
Видях две фигури да влизат тук. Може да са опасни.
Oh? Maybe you saw Radka and Sylvia returning from the store.
Добре. Кажете на рицарите, ако видите нещо. Абе, пако.
Please return when you are not working. Our girls would all like to get to know our handsome royal knight more intimately.
Fine. We helped you, yes? So seems like good time for you to be leaving.
I think we'll hang here till the heat is off.
You know what? Maybe we can make it, like, fun? You know, do something to pass the time. Do you guys have categories?